I'm sure that I've made some video about this Honda before, but it's a 1992 XR600R, and I've owned it for maybe 7 years. Anyway, it's been great. It's been super reliable. I've ridden it all over the Rocky Mountain area, and unfortunately this summer it left me stranded for the first time. And I didn't really know what was going on. It had a miss at high RPM. I was riding home on the interstate, and it just suddenly died and had to get hauled home. But anyway, I took a chance and I bought a brand new Honda OEM coil and spark plug boot and installed it a couple days ago, and the bike is fixed. So noisy cars going by, sorry, out here in my driveway. But anyway, I just wanted to let you know that if you have some sort of high RPM issue, and actually this bike was really hard to start as well. It started second kick this morning, which is unusual for the last year. So anyway, it might be worth spending the money and just putting a new coil and plug boot on there. So I'll show you real quick the box for the coil, because that's the important part with the OEM Honda number. I just bought it off some seller on eBay, and it was identical to the original one and working well. So here we go. Here's a quick shot of the box for the coil with wire, Honda OEM part number there. So anyway, just an update on the old Honda. It's back. Thanks for watching.